Laptop is locked and shows password is incorrect. Try again. How to deal with this? Follow us to recover Windows password with PassFab 4 WinKey. You can get this software from PassFab official website or click the link below in the description. Now, run this Windows password recovery tool on an accessible computer. Insert a USB to create a password reset disk. Select it and click Next. Once the burning process is done, you can check the guide on the interface. Then plug in the USB to your locked computer. Restart the computer then. Press F12 to enter boot options. Boot from the USB. And you can see the interface of PassFab 4 WinKey. Select your operating system. Choose the locked account. Click Reset Account Password. Click Next. Enter a new password. And click Reset. Once done, reboot the computer. And you can use your new password to unlock computer.